Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you know, in my previous video I have shown I have installed MIUI 13 on my Redmi Note 8. So today I'm going to give you the review of this ROM actually, should you install or not. So this ROM for me it's running good, so it's not, I didn't find any major problem here, but still this is not a stable ROM. You can't really use as daily drive this ROM. So there are nothing new here actually. So just you will get only this thing like MIUI 13 version, only this is new, and also you will get 1 GB of RAM, which will cut from your storage. So I don't think it will work fine, but other things like everything is working fine. And there are lag, yes, everywhere you will find like lag and stutter, but nothing major actually. Also you will not get MIUI camera app here. So as you can see, you in the out of the ROM you will get only the Google camera app, as you can see this one, and I have installed this camera app which is downloaded from somewhere else. And other thing is that you have a face unlock which is actually very fast actually, and there is a what it called, as you can see, there is on screen fingerprint in screen fingerprint logo. I think this ROM is ported from some kind of ROM which has in screen fingerprint, but and other things is like same as MIUI 12.5. So if you want to install any custom ROM based on MIUI, I don't think this is right ROM for you. You just go to download anything from MIUI 12.5. You will get many ROMs based on MIUI 12.5 on EU website. Then those ROM are actually works better than this ROM. So this is just a early build of MIUI 13, so there is nothing new. And also if you go to Play Store, there is lag in the Play Store. If you scroll, you see it doesn't work properly, and other things actually working fine. I'm using this ROM and it's working fine. Also you will get this what it called quick access to your app, which will open your app in small window or floating window. So as you can see here, so now if you drag this one, it will get bigger. So that's it. Nothing is new here actually. I think this is also in this thing introduced in MIUI 13, so this is here. And other thing is there is nothing new here. Also the theme stories in this ROM is still in Chinese, so they didn't replace it with global version because there is no global version available for this MIUI 13 ROM. So that's it. And also there is nothing much to say here. So what I want to say is that just don't install this ROM, try something else. Or if you want to get a pure stock experience which will give you good battery backup and other things, you can try ArrowOS. I have tried that ROM and it was quite good ROM. So I will go back to ArrowOS again. I will try a few more days this ROM, then I will be going to install ArrowOS. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.